Hello everyone, it's Maria Russell here with you today, and I'm back for Not Too Shabby. I'm going to share with you the two cards that I made today showcasing the February box of the month. So the last time I posted the video, I didn't get a chance to create a card using this stamp set that you see right in front of you, and this one is called Blooming into Spring. And it features this really cute, adorable bunny with the flowers on top of its head, and also a few sentiments that is perfect for either Easter or spring. And for the cards, I've also used the ephemera die cut pieces that's included in the kit, as well as the bunny ears that I die cut twice, bunny ears paper pad, and that's the paper pad that I used to create my background in one of the cards. And for my sentiment, I also used this Happy Easter die set with Shadow by Cat Scrappiness. And here's the first card that I created using the stamp set. I stamped the image first with some Memento Tuxedo Black ink on Express It blending cardstock, and I colored the image with my alcohol markers, and then I used my precision snips to fussy cut the image. I wanted to add some texture and dimension to the background, so I decided to use this embossing folder from Cuttlebug. This is an old one, and I really love how this one turned out. I die cut the oval window first, and then I emboss it with my embossing folder. So this is a flat shaker card. What I did was, the background is actually one of the paper pad from the past kit, and I used a leftover stamp pocket to do a flat shaker card, and then I used this Tinkerbell sequin mix as my shaker element, and I added some tape to the sides, and as you can see, there is no problem shaking the shaker elements even though this is a flat shaker card. And then I added the sentiment Happy Easter that I heat set with my heating tool. And I'm really liking the flat shaker card because it doesn't have a lot of dimension, but then the shaker bits are actually free flowing inside. And at first I didn't add this ephemera on the card, but then I thought something is still missing, so I saw this one and I thought it was really perfect for that bunny peeking out of the window. And here is card number 2. I die cut the pattern paper twice using the die set from Reverse Confetti. As you can see, I have 2 here, so I can use the other piece for another card, using 2 papers from the bunny ears paper pad. And I also embossed the background using an embossing folder from my stash. If you know me and followed me for a while, you know that I don't use a lot of pattern paper on my cards because I like creating scenes for my cards, and I really struggle when it comes to mixing and matching patterns because I don't like busy backgrounds. But I'm so glad I got out of my comfort zone and decided to do this because I like how this one turned out. And then of course, for added interest, I added the Tinkerbell sequin mix and adhered it to the background. And so here are the 2 cards again showcasing the components from the February box of the month. The first card is a flat shaker card, and I like that the elements are moving freely inside. Plus the bunny is super cute. And then this one utilizing the paper pad that is included in the kit, as well as the ephemera pack, and added a bold sentiment to finish the design. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. The supplies I use will be listed and linked in the description box below. Don't forget to click the notification bell to be notified of new content from this channel. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like the cards today, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now, and happy crafting!